Configure a wireless network. Connect to a wireless router. Connect admin to WR. This is admin, the PC, and WR is the wireless router. Connect admin to WR using a straight-through Ethernet cable. Okay, go to connections and copper straight-through to connect fast Ethernet 0 on admin PC to gigabit, any gigabit Ethernet interface on WR. I will choose gigabit Ethernet 1. WR acts as a switch to devices connected to the LAN and as a router to the internet. Okay, this is the LAN because this is the LAN interface, and this is internet because this is the internet interface. Admin is now connected to the LAN gigabit Ethernet 1. When packet tracers display green triangles on both sides of the connection between admin and WR, continue to the next step. Okay, here verify green triangles. Then go to next step. Configure admin to use DHCP. To reach WR management page, admin must communicate on the network. A wireless router usually includes DHCP server, and the DHCP server is usually enabled by default on the LAN. Admin PC will receive IP address information from the DHCP server on WR. Okay, click on Admin, Desktop, IP Configuration, and choose DHCP. And you can see this. What is the IP address, subnet mask, and gateway? IP address is 192.168.0.100, subnet mask 24, default gateway 192.168.0.1. For now, no DNS server. Close. Connect to WR web interface. Okay, open web browser on desktop tab on admin PC. Okay, admin PC web browser. Enter 192.168.0.1 to open the web configuration page of the wireless router. 192.168.0.1. Go. Username admin for username and password. Admin. Very good. On network setup, basic setup, notice the IP address range for the DHCP server. Okay, network setup, basic setup, network setup. This is the IP address of the LAN interface on the router, the wireless router, the LAN interface, subnet mask 24, start IP address of 100 and maximum users of 50. So the range is from 100 to 149. Okay, 100 to 149. And is the IP address for admin within this range? Is it expected? Explain your answer. Remember, the IP address of admin PC was 192.168.0.100. So if this is the range from 100 to 149, the IP address of admin PC is in the range. And yes, admin has 192.168.0.100, which belongs to 192.168.0.0.24 network, and is in the range of 192.168.0.100 to 192.168.0.149. It is expected because admin acquired its IP information from WR via DHCP. Okay, very good. This is 24 IP address. Configure internet port for WR. WR is configured to route the packets from wireless clients to internet. Route packets from wireless clients to internet. You will configure internet port on WR to connect to the internet. Okay, up here, this is the internet setup to configure the internet port. This is the internet port here. Internet setup, basic setup, change the IP address method from automatic to static. Internet setup on basic setup, change from automatic to static. Okay, and configure this IP address 209.165, 200, 225, 255, 255, 255, 252, 209.165, 200, 226, the default gateway, and DNS 209.165, 201.1. Very good. Now, notice you are configured a DNS server. Save settings. Down here, verify network setup 192.168.0.1, subnet mask 24, and save settings. If you get a request timeout message, this message request timeout, close the admin window and wait for the orange lights to turn into green triangles. Okay. Close this web browser, then wait for the green triangles. To verify connectivity, open a new web browser and navigate to www.cisco.pka server. Okay. Now you have green triangles, and from admin PC navigate to www.cisco.pka. Admin, before to navigate to web browser, IP configuration. Okay, wait for the DHCP configuration. Wait a moment. Okay, now you have the IP address, subnet mask gateway, and also a DNS server. Also a DNS server. So if you will use a name to navigate to this server, if you will use a domain name, you need a DNS server, mandatory. www.cisco.pka. Enter. Wait a moment. Go. Very good. Configure the wireless settings. You will only configure the wireless settings for 2.4 GHz. Configure WR SSID. Navigate to WR. Okay, from admin, navigate to IP address of WR 0.1. Go. Admin, okay, wireless basic wireless settings. Wireless basic wireless settings. Change network name SSID to A company for only 2.4 GHz. Case sensitive. Okay, 2.4 GHz SSID A company. Case sensitive. Change the channel to 6. to 6 channel. Disable both 5 GHz frequencies. Disabled. Save. Configure wireless security settings. Wireless security. Wireless security. 2.4 GHz WPA to personal. Okay, 2.4 GHz WPA personal. Encryption AES, passphrase, use this. Case sensitive. Save. Okay, connect the wireless clients. Laptop 1, desktop, PC wireless. Connect, refresh to show the SSID. Choose a company, channel 6, a company, connect, passphrase 23, connect. Now you can see it's connected. Link information successfully connected. Open a web browser to verify. You can navigate to www.cisco.pka server. Before to do that, verify IP configuration. You have an IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS server. Navigate to internet, www.cisco.pka. Enter success. Okay, and go to admin and verify the following. Go to setup. You don't have a DNS configured on LAN interface, but you have configured this DNS on internet interface. And this DNS is shared to the LAN interface automatically. Okay, connect laptop 2, desktop, IP configuration, desktop PC wireless, connect, refresh, a company, connect, passphrase, connect. Now it's connected. Verify IP configuration. Now you have this IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS. Navigate to the web page, www, go, success. Connect wireless clients to an access point. An access point AP is a device that extends the wireless local area network. An access point is connected to a wired router using an Ethernet cable to project the signal to a desired location. Configure the access point. Connect port 0 of AP to an available Ethernet port of WR. Okay. Use this as copper straight-through cable to connect port 0 on AP to an available port of WR, in this case Gigabit Ethernet 2. Click AP, config tab, access port 1. Okay, port 1 is the Ethernet interface and port 1 is the wireless interface. Configure the SSID field to a company case sensitive, WPA2 PSK, this WPA2 PSK, and the passphrase Cisco 123 and this character, and encryption AES. Very good. Connect the wireless clients. Laptop 3, desktop, PC wireless, connect, refresh. Select the wireless network name, a company with a stronger signal, channel 1, and then click connect. I have two SSIDs. Choose the A company SSID with the stronger signal, in this case 81%. But also you can verify this is the AP because AP uses channel 1 by default and WR was configured to use channel 6. And you can see here this is 6 for the WR channel and this is 1 for the AP channel. Select this, then connect. Passphrase. Connect. Information successfully connected. Now you can see you are connected. And navigate to the web page. Go to laptop 3. Close this. IP configuration. Verify IP configuration is good. Web browser www.cisco.pka. Enter. Very nice. Other administrative tasks. Change the WR access password. On admin, navigate to WR, admin, navigate here, administration, management, here. Change the current router password to Cisco. And confirm down here Cisco. Save. Username admin, password now Cisco. Enter. Continue. Very good. Change the DHCP address range in WR. You will change the internal network address 192.168.00.24 to 192.168.50.0.24. When the LAN network address changes, the IP address on the device in the LAN and WLAN must be renewed to receive new IP addresses before the lease is timed out. Setup, basic setup here. Network setup down here. Router IP is 192.168.0.1. 192.168.0.1. Change it to 51. Here 50.1. Verify that IP addresses still start at 100 and there are 50 available IP addresses in the DHCP pool. Okay, it starts at 150 available users. Add the DNS server on DHCP settings. 2 of 9, 165, 2 of 1, 1. Save settings. Okay, remember subnet mask 24, then save. Okay, request timeout, close this. Note that the DHCP range of addresses has been automatically updated to reflect the interface IP address change. The web browser will display a request timeout after a short time. Why? Okay, go to admin. Okay, before to do that, verify IP configuration and wait for the DHCP request successful. Now I have this new IP address configuration 192.168.50.100, subnet mask 24, default gateway 50.1, and DNS server. Now you are able to access web browser at the IP address, the new IP address of the server 192.168.50.1. Enter. Admin Cisco. Enter. Very good. Notice the IP address range now is from 192.168.50.100 to 192.168.50.149. Because the admin IP address is no longer within the same network as the router, the IP address of admin is outside the new range of the DHCP server. So that's why you need to wait for the new IP configuration from the DHCP server. Close the admin web browser. Desktop command prompt. ipconfig renew. ipconfig renew. Enter. Reacquire its IP information via DHCP. Okay. To get the new configuration. What is the new IP address information for admin? This IP 50.100, subnet mask, default gateway 50.1, and DNS server. Navigate to the website. Close this. Cisco.pki. Enter. Wait a moment. Go. Success. Renew the IP address on laptops. Then navigate to the site. Laptop 1. ipconfig renew. Enter. Very good. Navigate. Enter. Success. Laptop 3. ipconfig renew to get the new configuration. Very good. 103. Navigate to internet. Laptop 2. ipconfig renew. Very good. Now, notice laptop 1 connected to the AP instead of WR. Why? Laptop 1 is connected to the AP, not WR, because the AP had a better signal for laptop 1. And you can verify this on laptop 1. PC wireless, connect, refresh. AP uses channel number 1 and WR channel 6. AP have a stronger signal. 100%. Thank you very much.